Imagine this for a moment. You're driving on a quiet mountain road. The sun is slowly setting, the sky is changing colors, and the road ahead feels endless. The drive is smooth, the engine is calm, and inside, everything feels peaceful. You're not rushing anywhere. You're not stressed. You're completely comfortable. And the most surprising part is that you're not heading to a hotel, you're not squeezing into a small camper, you're already home. A home that moves with you. A luxury motorhome that turns every road into a destination. Today, we're taking a closer look at a motorhome platform that quietly changed what premium RV travel could feel like. This is the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2010. A vehicle built with the strength of a commercial truck, the comfort of an automatic drive, and the flexibility to become a true luxury RV. This is the kind of motorhome that doesn't shout for attention, but once you experience it, everything else feels like a compromise. So sit back, relax, and let yourself imagine what life on the open road could really be like. The 2010 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic is not just another van turned into a camper. This is a vehicle trusted across Europe by professionals, long-distance travelers, and high-end motorhome builders. IVECO designed the Daily to handle heavy loads without effort, while still feeling comfortable behind the wheel. And when the Hi-Matic automatic transmission arrived, it transformed the driving experience completely. Long journeys became easier, city traffic became less stressful, and luxury RV conversions finally made sense for people who wanted comfort without losing durability. From the outside, the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2010 looks solid and confident. It doesn't try to look sporty or flashy. Instead, it feels purposeful. The tall roof option instantly tells you there's serious space inside. The long wheelbase gives it a strong, balanced stance on the road. The wide body adds stability, especially when the vehicle is fully built as a motorhome. The front design is clean and professional, with large headlights that give excellent visibility at night, making long drives safer and more relaxing. And because this platform uses rear-wheel drive, the weight is handled far better than many front-wheel drive campers, especially on hills or uneven roads. Once you're behind the wheel, the experience feels surprisingly easy for a vehicle of this size. Under the hood, the 2010 model is commonly powered by a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine. It's strong, dependable, and designed for long-distance travel. But what truly changes everything is the Hi-Matic automatic gearbox. There's no constant shifting, no fighting with gears in traffic, and no fatigue after hours of driving. The transmission is smooth and intelligent, adapting to your driving style without you even noticing. For anyone upgrading from an older manual motorhome, this feels like stepping into a new generation of travel comfort. Step inside, and this is where the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic really shows its value as a luxury RV platform. Thanks to the tall roof and wide interior, the space feels open and comfortable. You can stand up fully, move around freely, and never feel cramped. This platform allows builders to create layouts that actually feel like a real living space, not a temporary solution. There's room for a proper lounge area where you can relax after a long drive, a full kitchen that doesn't feel like an afterthought, a real bathroom with privacy, and a sleeping area that feels calm and personal. In many luxury conversions, the kitchen becomes the heart of the motorhome, and the IVECO Daily gives you the space to do it properly. You can fit a full-size fridge, a cooking hob that's actually usable, solid storage cabinets, and enough counter space to prepare meals comfortably. Cooking on the road doesn't feel like a chore here. It feels natural. The living area often includes a dinette or sofa that can convert into extra sleeping space, making it perfect for families or guests. Large windows bring in natural light, and when you park somewhere special, the outside world becomes part of your living room. This is where mornings begin with quiet coffee and evenings end with warm lights and relaxed conversations. Sleep is something many motorhomes get wrong, but not this one. The size of the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic allows for a proper sleeping setup. Whether it's a fixed rear bed or a raised sleeping area with storage underneath, the bed feels intentional. The mattress isn't thin or uncomfortable, and the space feels private and quiet. After a long day of driving, rest comes easily. This is a motorhome designed for people who travel long distances, not just short weekend trips. A proper bathroom is another detail that defines luxury travel, and many Daily Hi-Matic conversions include exactly that. A usable shower, a private toilet, and enough room to move comfortably. You're not rushing, you're not uncomfortable, and you're not dependent on campsites. Wherever you stop, you still have your daily comfort with you. So what really makes the 2010 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic stand out? First, it's the automatic transmission, which was ahead of its time in this category. Second, it's the truck-based strength that handles weight without stress. Third, it's the interior flexibility that allows true luxury layouts. And finally, it's long-term reliability. This is a motorhome platform built for years of travel, not just one season. Now let me ask you something. If this were your motorhome, how would you build it? Would you go for a modern, hotel-style luxury interior, or a cozy off-grid explorer setup designed for remote places? Let me know in the comments below, because everyone's idea of the perfect motorhome is different. The IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2010 is more than just a vehicle. It represents freedom, comfort, and the idea that traveling doesn't have to be tiring. It's for people who want strength without giving up ease, and who believe that the journey should feel just as good as the destination. If you've been dreaming about upgrading your RV life, this platform might be exactly what makes it possible. If you enjoyed this look at the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2010, make sure to like the video, it really helps the channel. Subscribe for more luxury motorhome reviews and lifestyle travel content, and don't forget to comment below and tell us what motorhome you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.